Very excellent.
Amazing movie. Amazing. Kosh, how was the movie?
Emotional.
Very emotional.
Very emotional. Very emotional.
How was the movie?
Good, very good.
How was the movie?
Super good. Pyara, very nice. Asal, emotional and funny.
Funny too.
Sweet, lovely.
Lovely film.
Yes, absolutely. Very good, emotional. It took me down to memory lanes and I could not stop myself from crying. See all this.
Movie was excellent. It gives a sense of longing, sense of belonging to your roots. But the nice, subtle ways they have sent a very strong message. And I should commend and applaud the director, the producer, the whole team. And Renasa was looking great. It was really phenomenal. That was the really replica of Kashmiri Pandit and the Kashmiri Pandit environment they created. Good luck. Keep on doing the great job.
Successful, awesome. Very good luck. Thumbs up to the makers.
Excellent.
Kids watch the movie. Okay, very good. Movie.
First class.
But emotional.
Mixture
Awesome, yeah.
mixture of emotions, humor, music was great.
First class. We need more movies like this.
Bhavika ji, kaise? David, you like the movie?
Excellent movie. Very well made. Very well
अच्छे थे. Yes, our-
Too many emotions.
सही सही
ये जबरदस्त मगर 15 मिनट के दे आसे
देख थोड़ा सा काम हाँ
काम पाए
You could relate it, like every dialogue, it was like as if your own grandparents are there.
मुझे तो कश्मीरी पूरी समझ नहीं आती हार्डली समझ आती है बट इवन आई कुड अंडरस्टैंड वेरी गुड
थम्स अप टू थम्स अप बड़ी अच्छी थी असल मजा आવું છે ફર્સ્ટ ક્લાસ મૂવી
फर्स्ट क्लास मरो वापस घर
एमसन क्या चल रही है
कौन सा was पसंद
जैसे यंगेस्ट पार्टिसिपेंट
It's an amazing movie. We are born and brought up in Jammu, so we could relate all the tidbits, all the family things. We are like post-migration kids, so all things happening in the movie were so relatable to us, especially that the tinge of Jammu. Everything was amazing. I have been to Kashmir with my parents. I could connect how they felt. It was amazing.
Beautiful.
Liked it. It reminded me a lot like the jokes of my grandparents and how we all joke around sometimes.
Oh, that's nice. The humor really
Yes.
resonated.
powerful script. The M. K. Rana sir was brilliant. He was brilliant, touching. I think it touched all of us, and it's quite simple. तरीके से मस्त कथाएं बनना. I think Sarhajan. I mean, did an outstanding job. Outstanding job.